Good morning, children. Yesterday we completed lesson 27 from page 107 and 108. How to put the punctuation marks. Which all are the punctuation marks? All those things yesterday we learned. Today we are going to do the exercises of page number 109. Lesson 27. Lesson 27, page number 109. Children, please take page number 109. We will do the exercises of lesson 27. First, we will read exercise A. Children, please read. Rewrite the following sentences by putting capital letters and full stops. Once more, you read. Rewrite the following sentences by putting capital letters and full stops. In this, you have to do two things. Two punctuation marks you have to be very careful about. One is capital letter and one is full stop. In this, there are no other punctuation you have to put. Okay, so first one we will read. I met Richa at the post office. I met Richa where? In the post office. At the post office. Okay. So in that, what all changes you have to do? You have to rewrite the sentence. You have to write the sentence again by putting the punctuation marks. So I'll write it on the board. You will write in your book, page number 109. You have to write where the line is given. This line you can draw from here. You take a scale and draw this line. Join this line up to here. Join this line till here. Then from here you can start writing. So the full sentence will come on that line. Okay. First one, I met Richa at the post office. Here the first letter is given small. I is given small. So when you are writing, you write it in capital. Okay, from here you can see, yes. Exercise A, number 1. I met Richa. I capital. You will give I capital. Okay, then. Met. Richa is the name of a girl, so you have to write R capital. I met Richa at the post office. At the post office. Then put the full stop. Don't forget to put the full stop. You have to put the full stop here. I met Richa at the post office. Okay. Now we are going to do the second one. Second exercise. Sarita is an old friend of mine. Sarita is an old friend of mine. Number 2. In this, Sarita is the first letter and also it's a name. So the first letter should be capital letter. So you write S capital, Sarita. Number 2, Sarita, S capital. Sarita is an old friend of mine. Is an old friend of mine. After mine you put the full stop. After mine you put the full stop because the sentence got over there. The sentence got over, so you put the full stop. The next one, number 3. Number 3. Chinese is difficult to learn. Chinese is difficult to learn. Chinese is the name of a language like English, Hindi. So the same way Chinese is a language name. So and it is the first letter of the sentence. So Chinese, C capital. Cursive capital, you write Chinese. Other everything will be same. Chinese, C will be capital. Chinese is difficult to learn. Is difficult To learn. Full stop. Chinese is difficult to learn, then put the full stop. Then comes number 4. Miss Sonal is my teacher. Miss Sonal is my teacher. Miss M capital. Miss first letter of the sentence. Miss Sonal. Sonal is the name, so the first letter should be capital. Miss Sonal is my teacher. My teacher's name is Miss Sonal. Is my teacher. Full stop. Don't forget to put the full stop, children, because in the question it is given. So you have to put the full stop. Then number 5. They still live in that house. They still live in that house. In that they, T capital, first letter. They still live in that house. They still live in that house, then put the full stop. So this much is the first exercise. Now we are going to do the second exercise. Read, children, exercise B. This much is clear to you? So do all the changes what I have done. Okay. Now rewrite the following sentences by putting capital letters, commas and full stops. In this we have to put 3 punctuation marks. One is capital letter, then commas, then full stops. So 3 things we have to remember in this when you are writing the sentences. So this I'll write on the board, and after that you can write in your book. And from every exercise I'll give 1 or 2 in your study material, that also you write in the copy. I have already sent, so that you write in your copy. First one, he drew the picture neatly, quickly and beautifully. He drew the picture neatly. So he drew one picture and he drew it very neatly. It was very neat and tidy. Then quickly, very fast, and beautifully, and it was looking very beautiful, very nice. Understood? So he, H should be capital, then neatly, comma, quickly and beautifully. After that you will put the full stop. Understood? This we will write on the board. India, Bhutan and Sri Lanka participated in the conference. First we will read up to 5, then I'll write it on the board. Clear? India, Bhutan and Sri Lanka participated in the conference. Conference means meeting. In that, who all participated? India, I capital. Bhutan, B capital. These all are the names of countries. And Sri Lanka, S capital, Lankas, L capital. After the conference, full stop. Okay. Next one. Students study English, Hindi and Science in secondary school. Students, S capital, study English, E capital, Hindi, H capital and Science, S capital. Because these 3 are the names of subjects. Then after school, full stop. Number 4, we should include fruit, vegetables, milk and pulses in our diet. When we are eating daily, when we should take all these things, fruit, comma, vegetables, comma, milk and pulses in our diet, full stop. And we should include, V, W capital, first letter should be capital. Next one, they visited Agra, Lucknow and Delhi. They, T capital, Agra, A capital, Lucknow, L capital and Delhi, D capital. Okay, so after this sentence you will put the full stop. Okay, so this we will write on the board, children. Okay, ready? Children, please write this number 1 and number 2. He drew the picture neatly, quickly and beautifully. Here first letter capital, after neatly comma, then after the sentence put the full stop. Second one, India, comma, I capital, then here comma. Bhutan, B capital. And Sri Lanka, S capital, Lanka, L capital. Participated in the conference, full stop. Okay, then we are going to write number 3. Number 3 we will write, students study English. Students study English. Students, S capital. Study English, E capital. After English, put comma. After English, put comma. Then Hindi, H capital. Hindi, H capital. Hindi and science, S capital. Science, S capital. Science, S capital. In secondary school. In secondary school. Secondary means after primary we say secondary. Okay, after primary section then we say secondary. It is secondary. Okay. So these 3 you have completed. Students, S capital. English, E capital. Hindi, H capital. Science, S capital. Then after school put a full stop. Okay, this much is clear. Now we are going to write number 4 and 5. Okay. Children, the fourth one is, we should include fruit, then comma, vegetables, comma, milk and pulses in our diet, then put full stop. Okay. Next one, they visited, in this T capital, they visited Agra, Lucknow and Delhi, full stop. In this Agra, A capital, Lucknow, L capital and Delhi, D capital. Okay. So this much you do. Okay. Now we can do the third exercise also. We can do the third exercise. What is the third exercise? Rewrite the following sentences by putting capital letters, exclamation mark and full stop or question mark. Rewrite the following sentences by putting capital letters, exclamation mark and full stop or question mark. Full stop or question mark, any one thing you have to put at the end of the sentence. Then capital letter, for every first letter there will be capital letter. Then exclamation mark, if you are putting the exclamation mark, then the next letter will be capital. Okay, so this we are going to do now. First one, hooray, we have won the match. Hooray, we have won the match. How we will write this? Children, see, look at the board. I have written, hooray, we have won the match. We won the match. Then what we will write here? Hooray, H capital. Then put exclamation mark. Okay. Then capital letter. You will start the sentence in capital letter. We have won the match. Then put the full stop. Second one, alas, they died in the accident. Somebody died in the accident. So I am feeling so sad, so sorry. So what should I say? Alas. A capital, then put exclamation mark. Then the first letter should be capital. Then at the end put the full stop. Third one, hello, what are you doing? Hello, H capital, then comma, what are you doing? That is the sentence. Then after that I am asking to someone, what are you doing? So then put the question mark. Then next one, this tea is good. This tea is good. See, A capital, put the exclamation mark. Then T capital, then after good, full stop. Next one, hush, you will wake the baby. Shh, because the baby is sleeping. You will wake the baby. Speak slowly. That's the meaning. So hush, H capital, then put the exclamation mark. Then U, Y capital, then after baby, full stop. Okay, so for today, this much is enough, children, and we have completed lesson 27. So this You learn very well. All the three exercises are very important. For the exam, you will get the question, rewrite the sentence with proper punctuation marks. Punctuation marks means all these things you have to see. Capital letter, comma, full stop or question mark. All these things you have to see, exclamation mark, everything. So, prepare well. Okay, this exercise A, B and C. Okay, oh sorry, this is exercise C. I forgot to rub it. Exercise C. It is C, not B. Okay, this is exercise C. Exercise C. This is exercise C, and write all these in your English 1 book, page number 109, and prepare well for the exam. Okay, thank you.